Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to hear today? Let's pick some cards and see what comes out. My home is a peaceful haven. How about yours? I bless my home with love. I put love in every corner, and my home lovingly responds with warmth and comfort. I'm at peace. Have patience with other people's healing processes. You're only responsible for your own growth, not anyone else's. Please be gentle with yourself. And today's angel number 1717. Inner wisdom. I trust my inner wisdom and intuition. The answers I seek are within me, guiding me on my path. I listen to my inner voice and follow its guidance with confidence and clarity. Alrighty, which item has which quotes do we need to hear today? Be assertive with demands upon your time. Keep your promises to yourself. Commit to your priorities. Spend time each day devoted to projects that are dear to your heart. Detoxify your diet to help your mind to be clear and focused. You are in charge of your choices. I hope so. Talk openly and honestly about your feelings. Make a decision instead of passively waiting. Give yourself permission to do what you feel is right. Don't wait. Take action now. Be your own authority figure. What does it mean to you to have inner peace? And the last one today. You are in a period of growth and learning how to better understand yourself. All right, thanks for stopping by.